Have you ever seen a gigantic jet? They are extremely rare but tremendously powerful. Gigantic jets are a type of lightning discharge documented only this century that occur between some thunderstorms and the Earth's ionosphere high above them. One such jet caught last week by a lightning and meteor camera from Puerto Rico, United States. The jet traversed perhaps 70 kilometers in just under 1 second. Gigantic jets are much different from regular clouds-to-ground lightning. The bottoms of gigantic jets appear similar in appearance to another type cloud-to-above strike C, blue jets, while the tops appear similar to upper atmosphere red sprites. Although the mechanism and trigger that causes gigantic jets is a topic of research, it is clear that the jets reduce charge imbalance between different parts of Earth's atmosphere. A good way to look for gigantic jets is to watch a powerful but distant thunderstorm from a clear location. For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.